Hi, welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use a SUMIF function. The SUMIF function allows you to add up figures based on a particular condition or a particular rule. Let's see how that works. Now, as you can see on my screen, I have a list of fruits and I have a list of countries and harvest of these fruits from these countries. And if you see my videos, you see that I like to use fruits a lot. That's because I love fruits. They are very healthy. Now we want to find out the total harvest for the United States only. So our condition would be to find the total harvest for the US only. So let's see how that works. We'll type in equal sign. Remember, to start any function or formula in Excel, you start with an equal sign. We type in equal sign and type SUMIF. Once you do, a couple of options pop up on the screen. We want the SUMIF function, so we double click to pick it. After that, we come to the FX icon to open the function argument box. I like to use the function argument box because it directs you and lets you know if you're on the right track in using the function. So in the first page, it's asking us, what is the range of data within which your condition or your rule will be? Well, our range of data is the list of countries. So we come here because we want to find out the total only for one country. So we come to the B5, click it, and drag to select all the countries. That's our range of data. Once you do, the function argument box populated for you. We have B5 to B19. We come to the criteria. It's asking, what is your rule? What is your condition? What is your criteria? Our criteria, our condition is the United States. So we type in United States. We come to the third space. It's asking for the sum range. It's asking, what is the range of data within which we must add up figures for the United States only? Our range of data is in column C, so we start from C5, click and drag to select the rest of the figures, and there you have it. Oh, now see the function argument box. It tells you the total figure for the United States is 170,000. So you see, you will know whether you're right or wrong from this box. Okay, so now let's OK it. Done. That's it. The total for the USA is 170,000. That's how easy it is to use the SUMIF function. Becomes very useful. You have very large data to add up. I trust you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.